This month has been pretty cold so far and even has resulted in some wintry weather when the warm weather returns. But can we expect closing out the month? Well, meteorologist Corey Smith has the latest.
This winter has seen a lot of ups and downs, a very warm December and a very cold January. And you can see the forecast that was originally put out by NOAA for this winter saw us in above average temperatures. And that was because of an ongoing La Nina, which does favor drier and warmer conditions. So why haven't we seen this season, or at least the last few weeks? Well, let's take a look. Is La Nina still out there? Is it doing anything? Well, you see all these blues right here? That indicates ocean water that's below average in temperature, which means La Nina hasn't gone anywhere. It's still there, still influencing our weather. So if that normally leads to warmer conditions, why haven't we seen that? Why have we seen wintry weather the last 2 weeks? We've seen temperatures well below average as well. Why have we been so cold? Well, let's answer that. Taking a look at our last 10 La Nina events across the Midlands, we've actually picked up snow all but once. 11 inches in 2010, 3 in 2011, and 2 in 2022. So that means that we can get colder air and we can also get moisture even in these setups. And the reason why, well, I like to say weather is going to weather. We're going to see fluctuations even though we have these larger scale patterns in place. And you'll see that's the case right now and has been the case for most of this month. We've had the polar vortex a little bit over Canada, but see this big U feature right here? This is what's called a trough, and that helps bring that colder air down into the central and eastern U.S. And that's why temperatures have been well below average and not really looking like a La Nina pattern for most of the last few weeks. But things are going to change. This is from the Climate Prediction Center, and this looks pretty much climatologically normal for La Nina, with colder than normal temperatures expected in the northern U.S. Across the south, warmer temperatures on the way as we go into February. So I think this cold stretch we've been in probably going to come to an end within the next few weeks. From the studio, I'm News 19 meteorologist Corey Smith.
And even with the cold weather we've had, the recent cold weather over the last few weeks, this winter so far is shaping up to be the 20th warmest winter on record. Likely a number that's going to continue rising as we get into the month of February. Stay with us. We got more Friends at 5 coming up right after this break.